And then, of course, number 7, which we all know about, is the private label. So the private label is sort of where you are literally building a brand, you know, and I'm a big proponent of not just finding stuff to sell, but actually building a brand and talking to the, you know, doing the whole consumer research and finding customers and then finding things to sell to those customers. So I'm sure that on your show here, you've spoken a lot about the private label business.
Definitely,
and what's involved. So I'm not going to go into great detail. But in terms of long-term financial prospects, if you're thinking long-term, private label is still the best way to create, I think, generational wealth. Because if you do take the time, energy, and invest the money to build a private label brand, you can then sell that as a going concern. And as I said, this is what I now do with Fortunators, is I help brand owners to sell those businesses. And it can be, you know, literally generational wealth. I know people who have built a brand in, you know, 18, 24 months and have sold it for well over $1 million. So,
wow.
You know, that is very, very possible. Again, like all of these things, it's not easy, but it is very, very doable.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.